Isa lang.
For your reference, sir,
Yeah, for my friends. Yeah,
may I know the name of your friend?
I have so many friends.
Ah, okay. Here, this way, 70. The room that I've mentioned earlier is the Bora Premier Suite. And we can only show the room from here, sir. We do not
Okay.
allow the room. It's a room with bathtub.
With bathtub, yes. It's okay. Can
Okay. You can also see the. It's a wide.
how much this price for weekdays?
Weekdays, 3,890, sir.
Okay, 3,900.
Yeah, 3,890.
Okay.
And for the weekend, it's 4,390.
Okay, okay. So many people here in hotel or not?
Mostly for weekends.
Maybe weekend so many people, yes?
Yes. Especially on weekend. We have a lot of guests on weekend.
But now available some also rooms available right now, yes?
Now we only have two available.
Only two available
Yes,
because
two
weekend.
more. Yeah, because it's weekend.
Monthly cannot pay. Monthly.
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 We do not have any monthly.
Only pay
Per
pay
night rate.
for night.
Then you can also check our website if you want to know the rate, since we do not have a fixed rate, so I cannot commit any rates for you,
Mhm.
since we do not have any paper dates, right?
Yeah.
You can check our website. We can give you the calling card.
Okay,
indicated
okay,
the
please.
website, Facebook, and also our contact numbers.
Okay, okay, thank you.